Vinyl flooring is a great option for just about every interior living space in your home. The flooring we're installing today is LifeProof Rigid Core Vinyl Plank Flooring. LifeProof is the latest innovation in vinyl flooring. It's rigid, strong, lightweight, and easy to handle and install. This product is 100% waterproof, so it's ideal for wet areas like kitchens, baths, and laundry rooms. Of course, you can install in any room or in any level of your home. This product features an enhanced wear layer with ceramic bead technology to resist scratches and enhance durability. LifeProof is treated with Ultra Fresh on the top layer and underlayment to inhibit the growth of odor and stain-causing mold and mildew. Ultra Fresh is built directly into the product and is permanent. LifeProof includes a pre-attached underlayment which minimizes sound, enhances warmth, and is comfortable underfoot. Drop Lock 100 end joints allow for fast and easy installation for DIYers and pros alike. LifeProof is Floor Score certified to ensure high indoor air quality. This flooring does not require acclimation before being installed in residential area. Simply bring the flooring up to room temperature prior to installation. This is great for quickly needed floor replacement jobs. Buy it today, install it today. LifeProof can be installed and maintained in a temperature range from 50 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This is great for seasonal homes. LifeProof floats over your existing floor with no adhesives or glue. LifeProof can be installed over wood or concrete subfloors, even over existing vinyl or tile flooring. No special tools are required for installation, and minimal floor preparation is needed. You should purchase 10% more than needed to allow for waste. This product is not designed to be installed on stairs, vertical surfaces, and non-temperature controlled areas. LifeProof is exclusively available at the Home Depot.
Step 1. Surface preparation. LifeProof can be installed over wood or concrete subfloors, even over existing vinyl or tile flooring. Regardless of the subfloor material, it must be sound and solid without deflection. In a kitchen or bathroom, install cabinetry, island and peninsula counters, vanities, tubs, and showers first. Then install LifeProof around them. Step 2. Plan the installation. Begin by measuring the room's length and divide it by the length of the planks. Be sure to allow for a 1/4 inch gap on either end by using 1/4 inch spacers. If the resulting number is less than 8 inches, you'll need to cut your first plank accordingly to avoid having planks less than 8 inches on the opposite side of the room. Measure the width of the room and divide it by the width of the plank. If the number is less than half the width of the plank, you'll need to trim the first and last row to equal widths. This will result in a more balanced looking room at the end of the installation. To cut the planks, simply mark the proper measurement and score the plank using a utility knife and a straight edge. You will also need to back cut the underlayment on the bottom of the plank. Then just snap the plank along the score line. Step 3. Install the first row. Insert 1/4 inch spacers between the wall and the row of planks. Installation should start in the left-hand corner and proceed with the tongue facing the wall. When starting your first row, lock the first 2 planks in place by angling just enough to get your fingers underneath the plank. You will know the planks are fully locked when they lay flat on the subfloor. When connecting both a long and a short seam together, connect the long side of the plank first. Then slide the plank so the short sides meet. Then drop and lock the short ends. To ensure a tight fit, use a tapping block and a soft-faced hammer on the long seams. Then tap down on top of the planks at the short seams. Continue laying planks as you go until the row is complete. Use paper to trace out irregular objects. Cut along the trace lines using a utility knife and lay plank. Step 4. Install the planks. When laying the second row of planks, score and snap the first plank so the end joint will be staggered at least 8 inches from the seams in the first row. When cutting the first plank of a row, place the cut edge against the wall. The staggered seam pattern can be repeated row by row or be random. As each row is completed, place spacers at both ends to maintain a consistent gap to the wall. These gaps and the cut edges will be covered by the quarter round or desired baseboard molding installed at the end of the project. When installing planks around door openings, it's best to cut the door casing so the plank can slide underneath. Never undercut metal door casings. Place the plank next to the casing and mark it with the plank's thickness. Cut the door casing with either a handsaw or a jam cutter, which is also available at Home Depot tool rental centers. This easy-to-install, innovative vinyl flooring is not only a beautiful addition to your home, but it's extremely durable and easy to maintain.